right. This is what we are having today for lunch. It's rainy, dreary, cold over here. You know, sometimes a good sandwich will suffice. So I felt a little inspired. Decided to grill some pieces of chicken, grill some peppers, and we're going to make a nice grilled chicken sandwich today. Little comfort food for a day like this. Okay, we've turned off our foreman, but we'll leave the peppers in there just to get that last minute sizzle grill, right? And look at how our chicken has come out. Nice, cooked, grilled evenly on both sides. This is going to come out so good. We're going to cut this up so we can put this in our bread real nice because we're going to add peppers and some other things. As you see, we have our chicken nicely cut up. Let's add a little more light. And we have our grilled peppers. So let's put these grilled peppers on. And now we'll just top this off with a little bit of lettuce. We don't want to put too much, but just enough, right? Because we have some nice grilled peppers on there. That chicken, I can smell the chicken. The flavoring on it is just so phenomenal. I can already taste it, and I haven't even had it yet. And voila, it is done and it is complete. Thank you, everyone, for watching this video as I made my grilled chicken sandwich for this rainy afternoon. I hope that wherever you are in your neck of the woods, you're having better weather, or at least you're eating some really good comfort food of your own. Have a good day, everyone.